Assalamu alaikum. Student, miscellaneous exercise for mathematics class 10 science group. We are going to solve MCQs. First one. The identity 5x plus whole square is equal to 25x square plus 40x plus 16 is true for all values of x. Option C is correct. This is also called identity. The above equation is called identity, which is true for all values of the variable x. Second, a function of the form f of x is equal to nx divided by dx, where dx is not equal to 0, where nx and dx are polynomials, is called a fraction. Option C is correct. Third, a fraction in which the degree of numerator is greater or equal to the degree of denominator is called an improper fraction. Option B is correct. Next, a fraction in which the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator is called a proper fraction. Option D is correct. Fifth, 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 is, as we can see, the degree of numerator is 1 and the degree of the denominator, where degree is the maximum power of the variable after multiplication. In this case, in the denominator it comes out to be 2, and the degree of the numerator, as we can see, is 1. So degree of numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. It is called a proper fraction. Option C is correct. MCQ number 6, page next. As we can see that x plus 3 whole square is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. This is called identity. Option C is correct. 7th, x cube plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Degree of the numerator is 3 and the degree of the denominator is 2. So we can see that the degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator. So it is an improper fraction. Option B is correct. 7th, a partial fraction x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 are of the form. Student, this is the first case. Denominator is consist of the linear fraction which are non-repeated and distinct. So this is the first case, so option A is correct. 9th, partial fraction x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 2. Student, this is the, we can see, this is the case in which denominator consists of the factor which is one of the factor which is quadratic and non-factorizable, and its power is 1. It means it is non-repeated. So the partial fraction of this case comes out to be equal to a divided by x plus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 2. So option B is correct. Next, last, partial fraction of x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 2 are of the form. Student, degree of the numerator is 2 and the degree of denominator is also 2. So this is improper fraction. Before finding its partial fraction, we have to divide it. Divide the numerator by the denominator and we get 1 as an 1 of the partial fraction. So its option, correct option is C part. Thank you very much and have a good luck.